Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Hell Above on guitar. First, let's prepare your instrument. You'll need to tune your guitar to drop D, which means dropping your low E string down a whole step to D. This tuning is crucial for achieving the song's signature heavy sound. Additionally, place a capo on the first fret. This ensures you're playing in the correct key, matching the original recording perfectly. Getting these foundational steps right will set you up for success. Now let's dive into the iconic main riff. This riff primarily utilizes the open low D string, combined with power chords played on the A and D strings. Pay close attention to the rhythm. It's a driving eighth note pattern that gives the song its energy. A key technique here is palm muting. By lightly resting the edge of your picking hand on the bridge, you'll achieve that tight, percussive, and chunky sound that defines the riff. Practice slowly to build accuracy. Moving on, the pre-chorus section is designed to build tension. You'll notice it often features sustained chords and a slightly different, more deliberate strumming pattern, creating anticipation for what's next. Then, the chorus explodes with a powerful, anthemic feel, often incorporating more open chord voicings to create a fuller sound. It's crucial to pay close attention to these dynamic shifts between the pre-chorus and chorus to capture the song's emotional impact effectively. Finally, let's tackle the bridge, solo, and outro. The bridge often introduces a fresh melodic idea, sometimes with a distinct lead guitar line that adds another layer of complexity. If there's a solo, approach it slowly, focusing on precise string bends and expressive vibrato to make each note sing. The outro usually brings back the familiar main riff, either repeating it until it fades out or concluding with an abrupt, impactful final chord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.